my
Wait, keep going.
Today I'm gonna fix this thing here. It's not, see, it's not rewinding. So what's happening in there is I need to take the string off and reload the spring. So I'm gonna start by taking this little screw out here that holds that. Oops. That didn't work too well. Oh, you know what will work? See, I can just take this thing off. There. No. Don't start again. It's supposed to be silly. Freaking backyard mechanics. There we go. That came out. See, I took this out because it holds the dipstick for the oil tank, and that's attached to this shroud here, which you have to take off to get to the spring. So I can take my screw out. Now I got this thing. What size is this here? Let's figure it out. It's 5/16. Take that one out. And since we're in the backyard, I just like putting everything right there. Okay, now this should come right out like this. This is just a fancy little cover.
Is there anything you're supposed to unhook so it doesn't automatically, it won't start automatically or anything?
Oh yeah, there you go. See, that's why you bring your wife out here with you. She's more worried about safety than I am. So we unplugged the spark plug.
That was it.
Got my Punjabi steel clothes on. Okay, so now what size is this screw here? A bolt. That's it right there, and that is size 3/8. And I think there's, how many of them? I know there's one right here. And there's one over here. And there's one right here. That's all of them.
So this is a Briggs & Stratton, and it's old.
Yeah. My father-in-law bought this for us. There you go. See, it comes right off like that. There's the freaking spring thingy. And as you can see, when you crank it up, it's not loading. See? So when you pull this out, it won't retract.
It doesn't recoil?
It doesn't recoil. Okay. So let's take this thing off now. You can put this screw back on in the socket. Unscrew this little screw. That comes off. These two things here are really important because when you pull the cord, they come out like this, and they catch this piece here, which actually spins the motor to start it. So you can take those out, save them. Damn it, the spring fell right out. Okay, take this out. We're gonna have to load it up first, and then we'll put this back in. So here's the springy. See? And when it's in there like this. So what's supposed to happen, let's take it out.
You don't need a new spring?
No. So what's supposed to happen is it's on here like this. See, and this is on here like this. And it's supposed to spin back this way. Right? Because you pull it, when you pull the motor starter, you pull, and then it spins back this way. So we're going to preload it. So now what's happening, you have this on here, you're spinning it to load it, this thing comes around, and my guess what's happening is, see how this part of the spring is supposed to look like this, but it looks like that. So it's not catching this little thing here.
It's just rubbing right
It's
around.
just going, just going clink. So we just gotta fix the bend on this and put it back together. Alright, so that'll be part 2 of this video because this is going to be a little really painful and it's boring to watch. So
Okay.
stop videoing.